My name is Rebecca Reel, and I'm here with my friend
Lauren Stroud.
And we're doing our best to socially distance as we bring you a little tune that celebrates why voting is important. We're so glad the Democratic Party is sponsoring this little contest. So whether you plan on voting on the day of, getting an absentee ballot, or doing early voting, we hope everyone will make a plan to have their voice count. Here we go.
244 years ago, we didn't want a king. We had a new idea, an experimental dream. We said that we'd cast our votes for our democracy. Some called it a bad idea, we wanted to be free. So we will stand in line, we will mail it in, so our new era can begin. It's time to vote, it's time to have our say, because these are the values of the good old USA.
39 names on the page and the foundation was laid. An instrument of laws and rules with room for us to change. When asked what we are going to be, Ben Franklin said, keep it a republic if there's any way we can. So we will stand in line, we will mail it in, so our new era can begin.
It's time to vote, it's time to have our say, because these are the values of the good old USA. All the fights and struggles and all the lives we lost, for those who came before us and paid the highest cost, we must stand our ground to protect our civil rights. When we stand together, we will win this fight. So we will stand in line, we will mail it in, we will
Wear a mask,
we will
keep 6 feet apart,
we will
persist.
so our new era can begin. It's time to vote, it's time to have our say, because these are the values of the good old USA.
So make your plan to vote.